Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Grow Your Peanuts. I am on a mission and this channel is dedicated to the personal development of working professionals to enhance their visibility in the organization. You will be able to strengthen the foundation within 1 year in the organization to have exponential growth for your future. It sounds interesting, isn't it? So please subscribe to my channel to be aware of series of videos I will be making in this series. Hope you must have seen my last videos. I started with purpose, equanimity and attitude. Knowing your purpose and developing equanimity and right attitude will make the work more sensible. You will have clarity why you are doing what you are doing. Today, I am going to talk about the letter N in the word peanuts. It stands for networking. Everyone loves to earn enormous wealth in their life. You must be aware wealth in terms of money. But networking means you get known and other person is able to recall you. This social circle, what you are able to develop personally and professionally, is your social wealth. If done proactively, can yield massive results. We can develop network while traveling, social get together, in waiting lounge, in queue for drinks or food at party, or a networking event. Networking is not just limited to exchanging visiting cards and brochures. I was doing this, but this was my mistake. On daily basis, ensure to load sufficient visiting cards for exchange. One good practice is identifying separate pockets for your own cards so that others' cards don't get mixed up. Never hurry to exchange cards, but rather in private when you reach comfortable situation in discussion and when you feel someone is looking forward to exchange or other person ask you, then do share it with both the hands and similarly accept others visiting cards with both the hands. There are different perspective and full explanation on how to handle visiting cards or attitude. In case you need any specific details, please share in the comment section. Now next, when interacting, have clear understanding of other person's products, how it is going to help you to meet your needs or his expectation from you and don't overcommit. Undercommitting and over delivery is always acceptable and liked by everyone around you or us. But overcommitting and under delivery is just not acceptable and it's unprofessional also. Another important thing to be aware is don't get informal with other person to show your outreach. It sometimes backfire. Keep in mind the man mapping concept also. Like understand and maintain the hierarchy consciousness while meeting like A, B or C level professionals. If you want to understand, A level is senior management like C level, A, VP and above. B level is department heads level like maybe say from manager till GM and C level is till deputy manager. So dress up yourself keeping in mind the highest level of persons expected to interact in that networking event or the meeting. And this is very critical. Wear comfortable shoes and attire because you might be lucky to get attention of a senior management and might have to stand while discussing are ongoing. Some do's and don'ts are there. So some don'ts which I say is don't pounce or introduce immediately when someone is entering since he might want to browse the place and get settled down, right? Don't start any new discussion while someone is leaving for food counter. Join when other person settles down. So if you are continuing the discussion, then jointly find a suitable place to dine. This is perfectly okay in this scenario. So what happens next? So once you are done with this, sending a thank you message next day, either on the WhatsApp or mail is going to give you a different edge to maintain the continuity after the event. So as informed earlier, networking is more than just exchanging cards and collecting brochure. It will not get developed further and will become a contact number in a directory only. So to strengthen any connect, you have to we need to have a balanced approach on both our and his wants and needs, because all relationship will sustain long term once you are able to contribute to others life and get contributed from them also. So hope you must have found this really interesting. Please share your learnings in the comment section, and if you still have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share this video to help your friends in need and also support me on this mission. So thank you for listening. Bye for now.